Hello guys, so in this video we're going to take a look at how we can actually share a PowerPoint presentation file using a QR code. So the way to go about this is we have to take this file and share it with Google Drive first. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive here and I'm going to simply upload this file by simply dragging it into Google Drive. Okay, so once it uploaded, I'm going to click on these three dots here and I'm going to select share and then share again. Now I can copy the link for the QR code, but I have to remember to make sure that anyone with the link can access the file. So I'm going to copy the link and then I'm going to head over to qr.io. So if I select link here and paste the file, it's going to generate a QR code that anyone who points their phone to that image is going to be able to go to that Google Drive page, and they're only going to see the file that I actually shared, which is this presentation. So they're not going to be able to see the other files in this folder, and they will be able to download my PowerPoint presentation. So that's it for today. Make sure you'll like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.